Kasi the reality is, not everybody can be a YouTuber. Now, in the same way that not everybody has an inkling to be an entrepreneur, in the same way that not everybody has the inkling to be a corporate like executive, diba? So it really depends on your personality and what you want to do in life.
Hey guys, we're with Carlo Ople. As you all know, the entirety of Luzon, Metro Manila is on lockdown. If there's one guy na feeling ko sobrang expert doing stuff online, side hustles online, hustling from 7 to 11 to 12 to 1, it's Carlo Ople. So, Carlo, I've been making a lot of videos about people ngayon, medyo they're scared about them losing income because of the lockdown. So I want to talk about, do you have any suggestions for people who don't know what to do right now? How can they make money online, side hustles online that they can actually do?
Okay, actually there are a lot of things you can do, no? So let's start with the easiest, all the way to the na medyo short term to mid-term to long term. Kasi ang dami mo talaga pwedeng gawin. So the easiest, which is the short term, you just really have to take a look at what's around you at home and you sell it online. So online garage sale. So si Grab gumagana naman, si Lalamove gumagana naman, LBC is working as well. So you can literally sell anything and everything that's in your home that you're not using anymore. So let's say you want to sell sneakers, you want to sell watches, you want to sell furniture, bags. Just take a quick inventory of what's in your home that you're no longer using, because now is one of the best times to Maria Kondo the heck out of your life. Kasi wala ka nang ginagawa, nasa bahay ka lang eh. So sulitin mo na. So apart from decluttering your life, putting back focus and trying to make your place a little bit bigger and spacier and airier and roomier, you also get to make money on the side. No? So ako, I've sold so much on Carousell. If people go to my Carousell account, I probably sold over at least 500,000 worth of shoes already on Carousell. So used sneakers yun.
Over what yung half a million na yan? What you...
Matagal naman, siguro a year. So, but ang ginagawa ko kasi every time after a review, I don't need the shoes anymore. So I usually just sell it. So that Carousell has been a very great platform for me to do that. Now, apart from Carousell, you can also sell on the Facebook Marketplace. Ang dami nagbebenta ng items sa Facebook Marketplace, be it gadgets and toys. So, basta ang dami talaga. So yun yung number one short-term way to make money, an online garage sale. Diba? So,
question on that lang, yung Carousell and Marketplace, do they need to know things about SEO? Do they need to make ads for it? Parang if you're just a new account, how will you easily get attention also, or mahirapan ka rin for people to know about others?
As with anything online, just promote it across all of your assets. So sabihin natin nagtayo ka ng online garage sale sa Carousell, di promote mo sa Facebook mo, promote mo sa Twitter mo, promote mo sa mga friends mo. Kung kailangan mo text lahat ng tao sa contact address mo, sa contact book mo, to send them the link, then send them the link. Kasi nung nagsisimula ako, ganun yung ginagawa ko, promote ko ng
pure hustle talaga. Okay, galing. So, tip number 1, short-term, Carousell, Marketplace. Mid-term?
Mid-term naman, ito depends kasi kung gaano kalaki yung initial phase mo eh. Pero you can actually sign up, sabihin natin, for mga referral programs and affiliate programs. So referral programs, very timely ngayon, PayMaya. So sabihin natin, if you can get somebody new to go on PayMaya, may referral account ka, may para makuha ka ng link sa loob ng app mo. If you get somebody to download the app and join yata, you get like 50 pesos. So if you can get like 100 of your friends to download it, then you get 100 times 50. Hindi ako magaling sa math. Gets nyo na yan. So
5,000 pesos.
So that's one way. So that's just PayMaya. There are a lot of apps that do that as well. There's coins.ph. Si Grab, alam ko may referral program din eh. So just take a quick inventory of all the applications that offer incentives for what we call this, for referral program. So yun, that's also actually medyo short to mid-term ngayon kung isipin mo. There's also, for example, Shopback. That's more of a midterm thing. So Shopback, every time you buy online, sabihin natin you buy a purchase, and certain amount goes back to you, which you can withdraw in 30 to 40 days. So since mag-online shopping, actually it's more savings than making money, but that's also one way of doing it. Diba? You try to see where you can get rebates, and ang daming pagkakuha na ng rebates ngayon. So that's one. Yun yung referral. Yung affiliates naman, you sign up for affiliate programs from Lazada, from Zalora. Google nyo na lang Lazada affiliate or affiliate program ng what we call this, Zalora, and found it, meron din yun. Tapos magkakaroon ka ng dashboard. Once you get that dashboard, you can pick items on those platforms and you can actually promote it. And then every time somebody buys, you get a commission.
Your video got lost? Yan, okay.
Yeah. May tumatawag kasi. So, check ko muna siya. Mapakalakas sa akin.
Baka bossing yan, di naman?
Yeah, okay lang. So, affiliate program. So, that's another way of doing it na medyo midterm. It's a bit midterm kasi one, hindi mabilisan mo makuha yung cash. And with the lockdown, I'm not sure how fast nag-a-approve ngayon sila Lazada ng approvals for joining their affiliate program. Kasi may approval process yun. So, I don't think it will be as fast. Pero usually, mabilis yung approval process nila. So, yun yung sa...
Do you need to have a website or a YouTube channel for that or not necessarily?
No, kahit post mo lang sa Facebook, post mo lang sa mga group. Pero ideally, of course, the best way kasi to sell online is if you have the audience. So, initially, kung wala ka pang audience, talagang aasa ka sa pagpo-post sa mga communities, sa mga groups, sa accounts mo. Pero if you have an audience, and yun yung medyo long term, which I'll get to now, it's really, you spend this time to build like a long-term digital play. So now is the best time for people to start their own YouTube channel. Now is the best time for people to start their own blog, their own kahit Facebook page lang or Facebook community na puro comics. I mean, there's so many things you can do. And start, kunyari, pwede ka maging Instagrammer or whatever. Ang dami mo pwedeng paglaruan sa bahay, pwede mong i-shoot di ba? Pwede ka nga maging TikTok superstar kung gusto mo. Basta yung point ko, you have an abundance of time right now, especially for people who are just at home. And the worst thing you can do is to do nothing. So you can actually work on long-term projects like what I mentioned, and then not only will you make money from the monetization of the ads that you get later on, but you can also apply everything that I just said. Sabihin natin malaki na yung YouTube channel mo or website mo or Facebook page mo. Sabihin natin 6 months to 1 year from now. Like kung gusto mo magbenta ng garage sale, may captive audience ka na. Di ba? Mas mabilis magbenta. Or sabihin natin may affiliate programs ka na, mas mabilis din magbenta kasi lahat sila nakikinig na sa'yo, nanonood na sa'yo. Pwede sabihin natin gumagawa ka ng website about sabihin natin sneaker. So pwede kang gumawa ng video na these are the top 10 sneakers to buy this summer. Yung mga ganon. Tapos lahat nakalink sa Zalora. Mga tipong ganon. And you can also sabihin natin sell your own merchandise and products to them as well. So yung long term actually feeds the short term and the mid term. Parang ganon. Yun.
Galing.
Dami na nun.
Ano na lang, you mentioned you're one of the best na nag-YouTube sa Pilipinas eh. Para sa akin, one of totoo.
Ikaw yung best bolero.
Hindi, totoo. For those na nagsa-start, one tip for them, Facebook, YouTube videos, what can you tell them na ito yung pag-aralan na nila ngayon habang sarado yung market. Tapos later on, doon na sila kumita din. Kasi a lot of people, I've been getting this, a lot of people expect pag nag-YouTube ka, kikita ka kagad eh. People always think na it's that easy also. What's your tip to them? One tip that will propel them throughout this period?
Ako sa kanila, test nila kung saan sila nag-enjoy. Kung nag-enjoy sila gumawa ng videos, then it shouldn't be a problem for them to keep on making videos. But if simulat sa pool pa lang hindi sila nag-enjoy, di ba YouTube is not for them? Kasi the reality is, not everybody can be a YouTuber. Now, in the same way that not everybody has an inkling to be an entrepreneur, in the same way that not everybody has the inkling to be a corporate executive. Diba? So it really depends on your personality and what you want to do in life. Ngayon, sabihin natin yung maganda ngayon, you can try and test. Diba? So you can test YouTube, you can test TikTok, you can test Instagram, you can test, sabihin natin, Facebook as a monetization platform. You can test writing. Sabihin natin kung mas mahilig ka talaga magsulat, kung pwede ka mag-blog versus blog. And just see what feels right and what feels good. And if you feel like you're competent at it or good at it, tuloy-tuloy mo lang. I mean, for the next 30 days, tirahin mo lang ng tirahin. Hanggang mag-click, di ba? Kasi di ba, it takes 21 days to build a habit. So, if one time ka lang mag-vlog, ano na, hindi siya habit, di ba? so try niyo 21 day. Ayan, nangyari. Kasi meron ako, kukwento ko sa inyo, bago yung 21-day challenge. So, meron kasi ako ngayon 30-day challenge. So, it's the Carlo Ople'S 30-day challenge. Inimbento ko lang to. So, it's the 30-day lockdown challenge. Ang ginawa kasi namin ni Mitch, bumili kami ng gym. Like a home gym. So, bumili ako ng treadmill, bumili ako elliptical. So, yung sa akin, ang challenge ko sarili ko is magpapayat during the lockdown period. Diba? So, parang everyday mag-workout, etc. Tsaka diet. So, sa yung mga tao naman na hindi yun ang focus, sabihin natin, ano?
May target weight ka that you want to get after this?
Wala muna target, tira lang ng tira.
Okay.
Ako kasi mas gumagana sa akin, basta gawin ko na lang.
Okay.
Tapos, you just take a look at what happens after. Basta the goal is there, lose weight. Tapos, bahala na what happens after 30 days. So anyway, for people naman, if they want to get into the habit, sabihin natin, of creating content, everyday gumawa sila, 21-day challenge starting today. Tomorrow, gumawa kayo ng vlog, gumawa kayo ng video, gumawa kayo ng whatever. Just keep doing it every day until it becomes a habit and you become comfortable. Yun.
Galing. Lastly, Carlo, a lot of people are scared, losing hope, they're not earning money. Any words of inspiration to end this video for all of them?
You take comfort in the fact that we're all on the same boat. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Kasi if there's one thing that should give you courage, it's commonality and unity. And everybody in the Philippines is going through a difficult time right now. And more people are actually having a tougher time than you. Diba? Not everybody has the privilege of staying in a condo with aircon and internet and Netflix. Not everybody has the privilege of having food readily available for the next 30 days. So kaya bago ka mag-tweet, sabihin mo lang, sumunod na lang kayo, huwag kayong lumabas, ganyan. Ako, best advice ko sa inyo, apart from practicing home quarantine, you should also practice your compassion in today's time. Bago ka mag-tweet, pag-isipan mo 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. May ma-offend ka ba? Meron ka bang hindi iniisip na grupo ng tao? Meron ka bang mga tao na baka masagasaan sa sabihin mo? Kung meron, di baka wag mo na lang sabihin. Or pag-isipan mo na mabuti kung ano yung sabihin mo. Because at the end of the day, everybody is everybody is living a different life. Iba-iba kalagayan sa buhay. And as much as possible, you don't want to put others down. Kasi yung problem sa internet, it can be misinterpreted easily. Sabihin mo, okay, lumabas. Ganyan. Diyan lang kayo sa bahay. Paano yung mga taong wala talagang pagkain? Di ba yung kailangan talaga magtrabaho? Paano sila? Hindi sila lalabas? Ikaw magpapakain sa kanila? Di ba parang gano'n? So, yun. Practice compassion and at the same time, take solace in the fact na we're all going through this, not just as a nation, but even as a human race. Kasi lahat tayo. Nabalitaan ko, pati San Francisco is on a 14-day lockdown. Wow. Same as us.
Okay, so if there's one thing that I got from Carlo is you use this opportunity that instead na magreklamo, instead na to complain about the government, use this time for you to be able to either build content or to earn as well. So thank you so much, Carlo. By the way, Carlo Ople, if you want to watch his videos, I'm sure you know him already kasi sobrang sikat ni Carlo. Tech, innovations, sneakers. That's what Carlo Ople'S does. I'll put the link below on how you can subscribe to this channel. Sobrang galing niya, tsaka sobrang yaman, guys. So, super.
Bonjour!
See you, trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all, guys. Bye.